Welcome to the world of creative woodworking, where imagination meets craftsmanship. In this vibrant space, woodworkers of all skill levels can explore innovative projects designed specifically for small spaces. As urban living becomes more prevalent, finding ways to maximize limited areas while maintaining style and functionality is essential. Here, we celebrate the art of transforming reclaimed and scrap wood into unique pieces that not only serve practical purposes, but also contribute to a more sustainable future. Whether you're a seasoned artisan or just starting out, this journey will inspire you to think creatively and embrace the beauty of working with materials that carry their own stories. Woodworking is more than just a craft. It's a means of expression and a way to connect with the environment. By utilizing reclaimed wood, you contribute to reducing waste and promoting eco-friendly practices, all while creating stunning pieces that stand out. Through this exploration, you'll discover the endless possibilities that come from thinking outside the box, how to transform everyday materials into functional art that enhances your living space. Join us as we delve into various projects, techniques, and ideas that will not only elevate your woodworking skills, but also help you carve out a niche in a growing market that values sustainability and creativity. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. If you enjoy exploring creative woodworking ideas and want to keep up with our latest projects and tips, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue sharing valuable content tailored for woodworkers of all skill levels. Don't forget to like and share this video with fellow woodworking enthusiasts who might find inspiration in our unique approaches to utilizing reclaimed and scrap wood. By staying until the end of the video, you'll not only gain deeper insights and techniques, but also discover exclusive ideas that can elevate your woodworking game. Join our community and let's create something extraordinary together. Embracing sustainability. Woodworking with reclaimed and scrap wood not only promotes sustainability, but also aligns with growing environmental consciousness. As consumers increasingly seek eco-friendly products, crafting from salvaged materials presents an opportunity to tap into this market. By sourcing wood from old furniture, pallets, or construction sites, woodworkers can create unique pieces that tell a story. This approach not only reduces waste, but also appeals to customers who value sustainable practices in their purchasing decisions. Cost-effective solutions. Using reclaimed wood can significantly lower material costs, making woodworking projects more accessible. Many woodworkers find that sourcing scrap wood can lead to substantial savings, allowing for more elaborate designs without breaking the bank. This cost-effectiveness can be a strong selling point for potential clients, especially in competitive markets where affordability is key. By promoting the use of reclaimed materials, woodworkers can position themselves as budget-friendly artisans. Unique aesthetic appeal. One of the greatest advantages of using reclaimed wood is its unique aesthetic. Each piece carries its own history, offering distinct textures and colors that cannot be replicated with new materials. This individuality allows woodworkers to create one-of-a-kind items that stand out in a crowded market. By highlighting the character of reclaimed wood in marketing efforts, artisans can attract customers looking for originality and craftsmanship in their purchases. Skill development. Working with reclaimed and scrap wood often requires creative problem-solving and adaptability. Woodworkers must learn to navigate the challenges of irregular shapes and varying wood qualities, which can enhance their skills. This experience not only leads to personal growth, but also improves the quality of the final product. As artisans develop their expertise, they can offer higher quality goods, ultimately boosting their reputation and marketability. Environmental impact awareness. As woodworking projects increasingly focus on sustainability, artisans have the unique opportunity to educate consumers about the environmental benefits of using reclaimed wood. By sharing information about deforestation and the importance of sustainable practices, woodworkers can create a narrative that resonates with eco-conscious customers. This approach not only enhances brand loyalty, but also positions the artisan as a leader in responsible woodworking. Marketing strategies. Effective marketing is crucial for the success of any woodworking business. By emphasizing the use of reclaimed and scrap wood in promotional materials, artisans can differentiate themselves from competitors. Utilizing social media platforms to showcase the crafting process, share before and after photos of materials, and highlight finished projects can engage audiences. Storytelling around the materials used can create a deeper connection with potential customers, helping to build a loyal clientele. Building a community. Woodworking can foster community connections, particularly when focusing on reclaimed materials. Engaging with local businesses, such as salvage yards or thrift stores, can create partnerships that benefit both parties. Woodworkers can source materials while supporting local economies, leading to a community-oriented business model. Hosting workshops or classes on working with reclaimed wood can also attract local interest and foster a sense of community among woodworking enthusiasts. Profit margins and pricing. While using reclaimed wood can lower material costs, woodworkers must also consider pricing strategies to maintain healthy profit margins. By emphasizing the unique qualities of reclaimed materials, artisans can justify higher prices. Educating customers about the labor and craftsmanship involved in transforming scrap wood into beautiful products can also enhance perceived value. A well-considered pricing strategy that reflects the quality and sustainability of the work can lead to increased profits. Innovation in design. Reclaimed wood challenges woodworkers to think outside the box, leading to innovative design solutions. The irregularities in scrap materials can inspire creative thinking and unique project outcomes. Artisans can experiment with different finishes, joinery techniques, and styles, resulting in diverse offerings that appeal to a broad audience. This innovative approach can set a woodworker apart in a competitive market, attracting customers seeking fresh and original designs. Customization opportunities. By offering bespoke services, woodworkers can build strong relationships with clients and create memorable experiences. This level of personalization not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also encourages repeat business and referrals. Eco-friendly finishing techniques. When finishing reclaimed wood, artisans can further emphasize their commitment to sustainability by using eco-friendly products. Natural oils, waxes, and water-based finishes can enhance the beauty of the wood while minimizing environmental impact. Promoting the use of non-toxic finishes can resonate with health-conscious consumers, adding another layer of appeal to the final product. By prioritizing eco-friendly practices, woodworkers can align their brand with values that matter to consumers. Expanding product lines. Utilizing reclaimed wood can inspire woodworkers to expand their product lines beyond traditional offerings. By experimenting with different types of projects, artisans can create a diverse portfolio that attracts a wider audience. This flexibility can lead to new revenue streams, as woodworkers can cater to various market segments. Expanding into home decor, garden furniture, or custom commissions can enhance business viability and profitability. Long-term sustainability. Ultimately, focusing on reclaimed and scrap wood can lead to a more sustainable business model for woodworkers. By prioritizing environmentally friendly practices and engaging with eco-conscious consumers, artisans can build a brand that stands the test of time. As the demand for sustainable products continues to grow, woodworkers who embrace these principles can not only thrive in business, but also contribute positively to the planet. This long-term approach fosters a sense of purpose, making woodworking not just a craft, but a meaningful endeavor. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you found inspiration and valuable insights into the world of creative woodworking. Your support is incredibly important to us, so if you enjoyed the content, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more exciting projects and tips. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and fellow woodworking enthusiasts. Together, we can build a community that celebrates craftsmanship and creativity. We appreciate your engagement and look forward to bringing you more fantastic ideas in the future. Happy woodworking!